everyone, welcome back to another new episode of Mission Fluency. In today's episode, I want to share with you some important tips about how to improve spoken English day by day. So let's start. We know all that English is an international language, but I think that English is not just a language. English is like a bridge. So, using it, we can communicate other people and different countries and nations. To improve English day by day, you don't need to be very smart. You only need to patience, time, and regular practice. Every day, try to listen to English for at least 10 to 20 minutes. You can also listen to slow English podcasts, YouTube videos, or English news slowly. Don't worry if you don't understand everything, because understanding little by little is enough. Next, try to speak English every day, even if you are alone. You can talk to yourself about your daily life. Making mistake is normal, so don't feel shy or afraid.